Okay, we are recording. I'm trying to make this quick, I hope. I have the help of a student, and we are going to see what it looks like on from the student's perspective. And I want to show how to get annotated feedback on the labs because I know sometimes I have a lot of questions saying, hey, why did I miss this? Or what did I miss? And I'm going to show you how to do that with the help of Beverly. And Beverly is showing us her screen, so you should be able to see that. And I'm going to give her some directions and show her where to go. And she's actually helped me with this too, because or I had to write this down because I did not know how to do it. But step one, basically, the first thing we need to do is get to the submissions page. And as she pointed out, you can either do that through going through the grades portion or going directly to module 3 in this example. So either one. It looks like she's scrolling through the grades section. She's going to click on the lab 3 because this is the particular one we're going to use for the example. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see, well, first of all, yeah, this is where we're going. You can see, don't click on it yet, please, Beverly, but you can see where it says annotate PDF. And if you scroll up a little bit, if I saw that correctly, sorry. Yeah, see, what you do not want to do right there is where it says file submissions. So that is what you actually submitted. So you don't want to click on that, right? That's what you gave me. So what happens is I grade what you gave me, and then that is available back down to where Beverly first went, which is right here where it says annotate PDF. So if you click on that, it will download. Poor Beverly's downloaded this like 3 times now. And then if you click on it, you can see at the bottom left where it downloaded. You can click on that, and then it pops up. And Beverly, if you scroll down to, I think, the first question, you can see here where I usually, I left a check mark. Yeah, I left a check mark. Usually I don't leave check marks. Usually I leave X's, but I just wanted to show you what it might look like. And also when you miss a question, sometimes, for example, if you just missed a particular aspect of a question, I will highlight it to show which aspect you missed. In this case, she got it correct, but just as for a demonstration, you can see where I highlighted where it says, prove you watched the video, right? So you can see that. And if, Beverly, if you scroll down a little bit again to look at questions 2 and 3, you can see that I put an X there on the very left of the screen, and I also drew a little red line. That just indicates she didn't miss both, like individually, just together. She missed something about those two together, and that's what those little lines indicate. And Beverly, if you can scroll down, I'll show you the last type of annotation that I leave. We're going to look at her chart. You can see there's her chart, and I put a little X. You can see that on the left, as I usually do. And also, there's a little dialog box on the right, and that's where I can sometimes leave comments directly on that. So if she clicks that, it'll pop up a different section. Right there it is. So you can see here I was asking her, okay, it's her title said footprint, right? So I was asking her, well, whose footprint? Is that your footprint or the average West Virginian's footprint or the average U.S. citizen's footprint? So that's it. That's how you get feedback. I highly recommend doing it. I'm glad to help or answer any questions you might have, but I think that's very helpful in letting you come to get your own answer. So I'm going to end the video, and Beverly, thank you for your help.